Hey friends, if you encounter the error the software for this device has been blocked code 48, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to use manufacturer drivers. So let's say that the manufacturer of my system is ASUS, so I'll search for ASUS drivers. Okay, and then I'll go to the download center, and then I'll type the model number which is FA507RE for my system. And then I'll go to this, I'll click on driver and tools in the right pane. Then I'll scroll down to driver and tools and I'll find individual drivers for, let's say, graphics, audio and everything. Click on download and then click on open. Now I won't click on open because I don't want to change my system, but you have to click on open. It's similar for, let's say, Dell or HP and all. I actually have every computer, so I've tried each and every one of these. For Dell, you have to type the model number here and you'll get the drivers. For HP, there is a similar process. Let me show you. You'll also have to write the model number on the HP website and then you'll get everything. All you need to do is select the type and then enter the model number here. And it's similar for Lenovo. Okay. So you will have to enter the model number. Wait. You can also get the product detected, but you have to enter the model number here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.